In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Jira tickets from one project to another in bulk. This process can be incredibly useful for project management, particularly when managing tasks across multiple teams or reassigning resources efficiently. We'll go through each step in detail so you can execute this seamlessly and with confidence. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Issues section within your Jira project. This is your central hub for managing all the tasks and tickets associated with your project. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots. Click on that and select Bulk Change from the drop-down menu. And this option is essential when dealing with multiple issues at once, saving you a significant amount of time compared to handling each ticket individually. If you haven't pre-selected the issues you wish to move, don't worry. The bulk change wizard will prompt you to select them. This wizard is intuitive, guiding you step by step through the bulk change process. Once you've chosen your issues, go ahead and click Next to move forward. Now, you'll be presented with a series of actions you can perform. For our purpose today, we need to select Move Issues. This option allows you to transition your selected tickets from their current project location to a new project. After selecting Move Issues, you'll see the Next button is enabled, so click on that to continue. The subsequent step involves selecting the target project. Here, you need to be precise about the destination of your issues. Choose from the list of projects in your Jira environment, ensuring you know exactly where these issues should land. Once you've made your decision, take a moment to consider if you need to map the issue types between the source project and the target project. This mapping can be optional, but it helps maintain consistency, particularly if the structure of your projects differs. After making any necessary mappings, you can proceed by clicking Next. The wizard will then conveniently summarize the changes for you. This stage provides a quick review of the target project and any adjustments to issue types you've made. It's a good practice to take a moment here, double checking everything to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Finally, when you're satisfied with the summary, you'll see a Confirm button. Clicking this will execute the bulk move of your issues. And that's it! You have successfully moved your Jira tickets from one project to another. Thank you for following along. By utilizing these steps, you're optimizing your workflow and enhancing project management efficiency. If you have any further questions or require clarification on additional features within Jira, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy project managing!